Welcome to another Simple Dad Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to have a text behind yourself on a video using Capcut. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or your social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So to do this, you want to go ahead and open up Capcut. Next, you're going to tap on New Project. Now here, you want to first import a video. So for example, this one here. In this video, I want to put a text behind this lady who's walking to the left. So I'll tap on text. And now I'll add my text. I'll tap on the text to customize it. Now I'll make sure the text is the same length as the video above. So I'll select the text and expand it to the right hand side. And as you can see, the text is currently in front of the person. So the aim of this video is to put it behind it. So now you want to go ahead and export this video. Next, you're going to tap on Done. Now you want to create a new project. Select the video which you exported. Then tap on Add. Next, you want to tap on Overlay. Now you want to tap on Add Overlay. Now you want to select the first video which doesn't have any text on it. So tap on Add. Next, you want to make sure this video is the same size as the one behind. So I'll select the video down below. Zoom in a bit so it's the same size. Now I'll make sure that second video is selected. And down below here, I'll select a tool called Cutout. Tap on it. Next, I'll tap on Remove Background. Now I'll tap on Tick. And I'll let it remove the background here. And now the background has been removed. So I'll go ahead and play my video. And now, as you can see, this person is walking in front of the text. Now you can go ahead and export this video. And now when you review this clip, you'll see the text behind the person. So there you go. That is how to have text behind yourself on a video using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.